We're going to remove fractions from an equation. So here's our equation. The only thing we really want is for this to not be in a fractional form because it can be difficult to work with these fractions. If I have to subtract them, I need a common denominator, and then if I have to add, same idea, there's a lot of work to this. Now to remove the fraction from the equation, or in other words, to remove all the denominators, you still kind of have to find something, a common multiple of everything. Okay, so we're going to look at the three denominators here. We have 4, 8, and 2, and we need a common multiple of all of them. Okay, so since 2 is the lowest, let's write quickly a bunch of multiples of 2. What are they? 2,
1, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Okay, let's write some multiples of 4. 4,
8, 12, 16.
Great, that should be good. And multiples of 8.
8, 16, 24, 32.
Okay, great. So now we're going to look for a common multiple. What's the first common multiple? 8. 8 is a common multiple. Are there other ones?
2.
Well, it's not a multiple of the other ones. If we'd gone a little farther, what else shows up as a common multiple?
16.
16, yeah. So any of these technically work, but in math, it's usually most efficient if we use the lowest one. Okay, so we're going to use the value of 8. So what we're going to do here is this entire equation, we're going to multiply every single one of the terms in the equation by the number 8. Okay, and instead of actually going ahead and putting in, so when we multiply this by 8, I'm going to multiply this by 8, and I'm going to multiply this by 8. Now, there's a couple ways we can do this. One of the ways is actually to multiply, and if you were to do that, we'll do that in red on the right here. Okay, we'll split the equation. If we were to actually do that, think of it like it's 8 over 1 times 3x over 4 minus 8 over 1 times 6y over 8 is equal to 1 over 2 times 8 over 1. Okay, 8 over 1 is the value of 8. When we multiply fractions, we do top by top, bottom by the bottom. So what will 8 by 3 give us?
24.
Yeah, so we have 24x, and 4 times 1?
4.
Yeah, minus 8 times 6. We get 40y over, what's 8 times 1?
8.
Yeah, and then 8 times 1?
8.
Over?
2.
Okay, and now can we reduce these values? We can. Can I do 24 divided by 4?
No.
It actually goes in.
Oh, wait, yeah, 6.
6, that's right. So we'd have 6x. 48 divided by 8, it goes in.
6.
That's right.
Or, yeah.
Yeah, 6y. And then 8 divided by 2?
4.
4. Okay. Oops. Sure, I shouldn't have been writing these here. And there you go. We've removed fractions from this equation. There's another way we can do this. Another way is that instead of actually multiplying it in, just work on, because these are multiples, dividing these two terms. Okay? So let's constantly do that. So what would 8 divided by 4 be?
2.
Yeah. So we'd be left with 2. So we've gotten rid of 4 times 3x. Okay? So think of it like we've canceled these two out now. Okay? Minus, what's 8 divided by 8?
1.
Right? 1 times 6y. Again, we've canceled out these values. And what's 8 divided by 2?
4.
4. So we multiply by 4. And again, it's like we've canceled these out. Okay. And then what's 2 times 3x?
6x.
6x. What's
6x.
Yeah, so
minus 6x.
y in this case. And 4 times 1?
4.
4. And we get the same answer? Yeah, we did. So either of these methods work, whatever you're most comfortable with.